SSK means slip slip knit, and it is a 1-stitch decrease, and it is a left leaning decrease. It's the mirror image of knit 2 together. You insert your needle as if to knit, slip that stitch over to the right needle. Now we do it with the second stitch, slip it over as if to knit. Now we put those 2 stitches back to the left needle, and we knit them together through the back loop. So slip knitwise, back to the left needle, and knit them together through the back loop. Now you have decreased by 1, and you can see that this decrease stitch is a left leaning decrease.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. You can also find all the yarn on my website at JackieBean.com. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching.